Hi, welcome to our new show this afternoon. This is the experimental vlog. With us today, I have two very passionate individuals whom we'll be talking to. First up was a rock star who needs no introduction. His name is Alfred Pennywaters.
Yo, rocker, man!
And we'll be talking with a professor here. Professor Nickelbreath. Professor Nickelbreath, okay. We'll be talking to them. We're going to go through some topics that have been in the news in the past couple of weeks. First up on my left is the musician.
Yeah.
So,
Yep,
so
that's me.
I see that you prepare your hair.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Did you get a special haircut?
Yeah,
for
this is my
occasion?
hairstyle. This is my
Do you usually
hairstyle.
wear it
This
like
is
that?
what this is my trademark. You know, I can go fwa, and you know,
Ah,
did you
okay.
see that? Maybe
So,
your
can you tell
viewers
us a little
would
bit
like to
about
have, like, a
yourself?
Playback on that. Okay, yo, with the camera.
Matter.
Do it with the camera.
What's your name?
My
Sorry,
name.
Alfred
You want my
Pennywaters?
name?
No.
Oh, well, we'll talk about my name later. Yeah, it was Steven.
I'm
Steven's
sorry.
my
This is the name that I have
Yo, with the
I'm sorry,
camera,
this
can
is
you do a
the name
slow
that I
motion
have
on this
on
tape?
my sheet
Yeah,
here.
Stevens. What's
what's your
problem,
actual name
man?
now?
It's Stevens. I better know my own name. Stevens. That's my name. Yeah. One of the problems with this type of hair is that
What's your
can't
actual
see
name?
that.
What is it?
yeah.
Just,
So
say it loud with me. Steven.
Steven Stevens.
Huh?
You know, like Shaking Stevens. Yeah, but I sort of
Steven?
kind of like don't like to shake
Steven
that much, so I
Stevens.
just call myself Steven Stevens.
Okay, Stevens.
It's
No, you're pulling my leg there,
I mean, it's,
buddy.
yeah, I'm not that full of myself. You know?
Come on, be
I can
serious.
call
We can't spend this whole
Right.
time with your egotistical
for your viewers.
personality, you know.
guys
We need to
wanna,
carry on and
follow
talk
me
to
on
the
Twitter,
professor over there.
Instagram me, holla at me, type of
So
thing.
please, your
Yeah.
name.
Stephen McIntyre. That's my.
Stephen
That's
McIntyre.
That's my name.
No. Okay, thank you. So Stephen McIntyre, which has been a musician for quite some time now and is all up there in his artisticness. Anything else that you'd like to add?
Oh, right. A little bit about myself. Okay. I went to art school. I didn't do so well in art school. I tried painting. I couldn't paint. I tried drawing. I couldn't draw. I played piano actually, professionally though, but not like concert hall professional. I like. I play the guitar. I have my own rock band. Yeah, we toured the country for a couple times. Yeah, I mean, I'm not dressed like that dude on this side, but what's the problem? Yeah, I like to express myself. I like to go on jogs. I like to run. I like to play sports. I like to talk a lot.
Climate change. Do you think climate change is important? Any personal opinions about climate change?
How do I feel about climate change?
We
Is
may
that what
not
you
know
asked me?
about?
Really, I don't know. Climate change. Temperatures going up. The polar bears don't have a place to live no more. The penguins are floating.
Yes, that's part of it. Well, I wouldn't exactly put it like that with the polar bears and the penguins.
What
but
do I think about it? Yeah, it's I don't know. I don't like hot weather. I don't like the winters colder either. I think it's a thing we have to live with, and then I really think that until people start to discuss it in open terms, put it into songs, put it in poems, put it in writing, in sort of like popular science rather than hardcore whatever the hell this guy does. Yeah, people will start to understand that maybe maybe an increase in temperature is a bad thing, and then you'll have less nut jobs out there saying that no, well, it's a fake thing that's made up, because not many things in life are made up. If you want to analyze that, like this dude over here on this side might
Don't
later
bring
on,
him
I don't
into
know,
that. We'll talk to
don't
Professor
listen to him.
Nico Breath over there in just a couple minutes. You're saying that you don't want to see very difficult graphs or data, because you won't understand that as easily.
Yeah,
or
so a
what
way
is
that people can understand, right? You present it through art. In popular culture, you don't make the thing that climate change people should fear it. You don't want that. You want people to understand it.
Yeah. Okay. So you want things that are stunning and stunningly visual, without having to do much thinking about it. Yeah. That's a great idea. I don't think that you can portray climate change on a poster with yellow, green, and red signs that say that in the near future you would have a certain degree of temperature differences, or temperature gauges that say that there are massive increases in temperature in the future, when in fact it's like 1 or 2 degrees hotter than the previous year or the previous decade, right? Now, for you and me, a 1 degree change in temperature isn't going to make much of a difference. That's the difference between hot and cold. So you're saying that a change in temperature from 1 degree to 2 degree isn't the type of thing that most people would think. That's exactly what I'm saying. I'm saying that for the normal person, a degree change over 10 years, 20 years isn't going to tell us much about what climate change actually is. But we're talking here, these degrees, a change in 1 degree is somewhat arbitrary.
What would you say to me?
Yes, arbitrary. The way we have to explain this to people is through numbers, through data and variables. And to make the point that a 1 degree change is proportional to having an enjoyable night, or a night in hotness, trying to sleep in a very hot night. The difference between very hot and very cold. In a manner of speaking, just to try to relate to people. Not in colors, not with diagrams with massive visuals that have no data.
Oh yeah, okay.
I think that we have
alright,
totally
yeah. Oh,
different
my
experiences.
fault. Oh yeah,
And I do
okay.
believe that those
I like to
experiences
listen
are
to other
reflection
people,
of
but when
how
the other people
think.
are wrong,
And I think
I don't like to
logically,
listen to them. I
through
need
numbers
facts, okay?
and facts. I don't think like that with I don't know, colors and shapes and sounds.
If I'm gonna write a new song, I'm not gonna write a song about, I don't know, 2 sticks. If I'm gonna write a song, I'm gonna write a song about something substantial. If I could draw a real situation like I see it, or like how I imagine it. So yeah, I do think climate change is important to know first. Oh yeah, to know what it is, right? Because I bet you right now, 45% of the people watching this will probably Google that. Climate change, they're gonna Google that. Right? Can I just borrow the phone for a minute?
Yeah, I want to call this group the 3 to 4 discussion. 3 to 4? You can't name this group 3 to 4?
Well, what the hell kind of name is that?
What do you mean I can't use 3 to 4? Why
What?
not? Have you not read
No, I mean
anything?
No,
I can only 3 to 4. That's already been taken. That's a group
here
out there.
somewhere.
3 to
My
4. What
producer.
does 3 to 4 stand for anyways?
He told me that
3
well,
to
it's
4
my show. I
carbons.
can name it whatever
Yeah.
I want.
No, you can't
3 to
use
4.
that.
No, I don't like that.
Carbons. No, it stands for I usually have 3 to 4 people on this show, 3 to 4 guests. There's only 2 of us here. I know there's only 2 of you here. I didn't have a bigger couch. I don't like that. No. I'm sticking with 3 to 4. No, absolutely not. I am not going to be part of the group that's named 3 to 4. How about the experimental group?